Guys, you know why I'm on here. Bitcoin Gold, guys. Bitcoin Gold. We're up 35%, 40% today, guys, on Bitcoin Gold. Can you imagine Bitcoin Gold just doing that, just randomly? And then we get Bitcoin SV jumping 12%. And then into the evening time, what do we get? We get Bitcoin Cash starting to creep back up. I think it was at over $250 or almost $260 at one point. So we're at like 7 or 8% up today on Bitcoin Cash. We were up on eCash, we were up on Bitcoin SV, and we were up on Bitcoin Gold, guys, for 35 to 40% gains today. So like this song just said, passing me, guys, baby got back or something, or baby got bong, baby don't bong, mom, baby don't bong. But we're checking out, guys, we're checking out these prices for sure on this channel, guys, because when we start seeing Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin SV, and Bitcoin Cash, eCash go all up at the same time, what kind of world are we living in, guys? That's called the crypto world we want to be in. A lineup of the forks. Line up, guys, it's dinner time. Get your fork ready. That's what we're seeing with these prices, guys. We're seeing these forks get ready for rocket launch. So be prepared, guys, because we're seeing 35% gains on Bitcoin Gold. I don't know, unless you're new to crypto, guys, Bitcoin Gold is basically a mineable cryptocurrency that's forked from Bitcoin that you can actually mine on your GPU. Can you believe that? Uses a different algorithm, uses Equihash. You can actually mine it on your computer if you have the right technical setup, the right hardware, the right electricity. Everything's got to line up. You can't just jump into it and expect to be profitable. But it is profitable to mine if you devise a plan on how you want to do it. And there might be a very, very increased demand in this coin ongoingly, because we're already seeing an increased demand where it's bumped at 30% and 40% today on Bitcoin Gold. And then with Bitcoin SV going right up there too to 12 to 15%. As well as eCash has been kind of going up and down. eCash was up last week, and then Bitcoin Cash, like I said, into the evening time has started to creep back up as well. So, are these random things? No, this is not a random thing, guys. Because if you've been in cryptocurrency as long as I have, you know that if these coins are lining up, this could be mega. I mean, like, I don't know how to say it, but this could be huge, guys. We just have to see these coins line up, basically rise to the top. The volume's been increasing on a lot of these coins. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV have seen an increased volume over the last couple weeks if you guys have been following it on CoinMarketCap. So I've been watching these volumes, guys, and Bitcoin Cash is, a lot of times under the top 10 now, because you guys remember we were at number 4 for over 2-3 years, guys, because I was watching the volume on Bitcoin Cash. It was always number 3 or number 4 for like 3 years. So once we saw Bitcoin Cash drop, guys, on the volume list, we saw Bitcoin SV drop on the volume list. I was getting a bit scared. I mean, I wasn't getting a bit scared thinking the project's going away, or devs and everything's just being abandoned, but I was getting a little upset that we weren't on number 4 spot. You know what I mean? Big difference in 4 and 15, guys, especially when you're talking about cryptocurrencies, because there's huge gaps between, spot 4 and 5 and 6 and so on. So, we've returned, guys, back up there. I never doubted that we really would. And like I said, all these coins, including Bitcoin Gold, the volume has increased dramatically, as well as on Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin Cash and eCash, which we saw recently, that we basically, we've been watching this stuff, guys, and we've been seeing this stuff kind of pile up, and these are those moments that we see where we're like, hell yeah, this shit's lining up, and we're able to, know that these prices may be going in a direction where we can catch, and we can see what's going on, and we can kind of maneuver around these prices on which one's going to go up, which one's going to go down. Kind of follow them, see what's going on. But if we see a general trend where we're seeing Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, eCash, all these coins sitting there just going up at the same time, guys. That's when we're really seeing something that we need to really watch out for, because we haven't seen this kind of movements in some time. So we got to keep watching these guys. We can't just sit around and think because these prices have gone up, we can just sit back and get comfy and just enjoy our fucking gains. No, we have to buy cryptocurrency. We have to build businesses on top of crypto. We have to accept these cryptocurrencies at businesses any way we can, guys, any way we can promote it. Because once people start seeing that this is just not just an investment tool, this is also a digital payment system and a means of payment that is basically immediate. And there's no chargeback, guys. There's none of that crap. There's none of the stuff that comes along with, these wars that you're seeing with credit card companies and payment fees. And, that's a thing, guys. There's huge bills and shit changing the way everything works. So having these systems in place that are basically untouchable from these outside exterior forces, guys, that are basically just new laws being written, new bills being passed, that kind of thing. We're avoiding all of these issues, guys. And not to mention, as we avoid all these issues, that price increase happens naturally, organically, because in the background we've been talking about on this channel, guys, things built into these cryptocurrencies that make the price go up long term, even if the demand basically just were to stay the same, guys. Cryptocurrency, the demand could stay the same as it already is, which seems to be increasingly growing year by year that I've been in it. It seems like we could stay the same in terms of people adopting it, and the price would go up just based on how crypto is set up and mining and how all these things play into cryptocurrency, guys. So it's not just as simple as what if if people don't get into it, is the price going to stay the same? No, the price will go up either way, because the price is designed by design, guys. The price is supposed to go up because it basically just, like I told you guys, every single time I try to describe the best way to provide this to you, crypto is like a black hole. Money inevitably goes into it one way or another, guys. So all you need to know is that by design, crypto is made to go up as long as there is a certain type of demand for it, right? But the thing is the demand is so much greater than this needed factor of just a certain type of demand, because people really are getting into this stuff, guys. There's a lot of new people into crypto that, it grows astronomically. Like with these big cycles, it seems like that I've been in, just in the short time I've been in the last 6 years, guys, that basically, each time one of these crypto things happens where the price goes up just a good little bit on a lot of people get into it. And there are people that stay. There are people that come back. That there's some people that lose money because they buy the wrong ones, or they don't know what they're doing, or they get hacked or whatever. But for the majority, these people are staying, and they're at least holding their bags that they have. Maybe they're not buying, or maybe they are buying. That just depends on the individual. But I'm buying every chance I get. So if I get money, it goes into crypto. It's just really that simple. I don't even really think about it too much. It just basically goes there. And, that's just basically how I've been doing, guys. Even though I've been taking some losses on my cryptos recently that I bought, it all balances out, guys. I'm not going to always be up on my investments. Like some of these short-term buys on Bitcoin Cash, guys, I'm not going to lie. Like, when it went up to 122, I bought probably, a good little bit of crypto that I could, pretty much everything I had basically, in cash, and went all in on it, and then it dropped back down. So, then I had to pay bills. So, I paid some bills with it, but for the majority of the bills, the big bills that don't accept cryptocurrency because they're fucking D-bags, I had to pay that with cash. I had to take a little bit of a loss on that, but again, that's one loss, guys. I've lost at things and tons of stuff, crypto and beyond. So I don't really look at it as a loss, guys, because at the end of the day, I know I bought crypto. I was in at that moment, and hopefully it did something good for the ecosystem. So I mean, I'm still here, guys. It's not like the only time I'm gonna have money. In fact, I plan on buying. I told you guys I plan on doubling my bag by just this time next year on all my coins. And I think if you have that mindset and you actually have scalable goals to get there, you can do anything, guys. So this is just one way to increase your profile or your portfolio or whatnot, because guys, you can always make more money. You can always make more crypto. You can't always make more crypto. That's actually technically not true, because you can't always make more crypto. You can always buy more crypto or spend more crypto or have more crypto, but it's not really technically true to say you can just make more crypto, because there only can be so much, and you can only buy so much. So there's not really making more. So the miners make more technically, but off topic. So you can basically, as long as you're trying to double your bag every year, again, goals, guys. That might not be your goal. My goal is double my fucking bag, because I pretty much, after 6 years, pretty much understand how crypto works at this point, guys, at least for the most part. Either buy as much as you fucking can or get left behind. That's basically all I'm going to say in terms of how I do it. Because the price, guys, is, it's up so far from where I started on a lot of these coins. And, it's just a moment. It's just a matter of time. It's not a matter of if. We see these coins, continue to hit new highs. So that's why I'm into crypto so much, guys. Even if it's, even if I have to take a loss on the monthly goal, at least I took the chance and tried to buy the crypto, even though there was a good risk of it going down. Again, guys, it's one trade. How many trades have I lost? Probably more than I could count, guys, in the thousands. No joke, in the thousands, not just in crypto. Just all sorts of investments I've lost. So if you guys are ever looking for investment advice, this ain't the channel. This isn't the channel for investment advice, guys. If you're looking to learn to make, massive gains, you're watching the wrong channel, guys, because most of my investment strategies have failed. Pretty much, I would say probably 75% of them have failed. But, I'm still optimistic, guys. I don't really think of it like that, because at the end of the day, I'm pretty much in this for the long haul. So I'm not rushed to get there or anything like that. I want to build some core things that I want to do, like with business and stuff that I want to do with crypto. And I use it as payments already, guys. So I'm pretty much diehard already. Yeah, guys and girls, that'll wrap up this episode on Bitcoin Gold. Racking in a 30% gain today, as well as some of these Bitcoin forks coming back up as well, guys. So it's good to see this, guys. It's good to see healthy crypto competition, and I like seeing it. And we're gonna watch all these prices going into this next week. We got the Litecoin halving, guys, coming up. It's almost here. It's like 2 or 3 days away at this point. And we're gonna be following all this stuff, guys. So let's stay in this crypto shit. Buy more, invest more if you have money. If you can, get cryptocurrency now. Don't wait till it's too late. Don't wait till the world adopts this shit, and you'll just be shut up, dog. and get as much crypto as you can get, guys, because it's money, right? You want to have as much money as you can, or at least I do. I want to have as much money as I possibly can, guys. So that just simply means I gotta have as much Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Ethereum Classic, and all these cryptocurrencies that I love as I can have. So that's basically having as much money as you can have. So, guys, we'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and check out the live stream. Later.